What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to hide transaction history on Wise app. So you might be wondering, can you actually hide certain transaction history here on your Wise account? Well, the great thing about this one is, yes, you can hide transactions here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and open up the Wise app and just basically log in into your account. And from here, what we need to do next is we just need to go to the transaction section. You can go and click on see all here if you want, but just go ahead and just press on the transaction that you may want to hide here. Now, once you've opened up that transaction, you should see different information about it, like the when you receive it, the reference, and the transaction number here. So what you need to do is you just need to click on the three-dotted icon that you see at the top right of your screen next to the question mark. And once you click on the three-dotted icon at the top right here, you should see the hide this activity option. So go ahead and just press on the hide this activity, and once you've done that, you've just successfully hidden that specific transaction in your account. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.